Welcome back. Today I wanted to cover a video in regards to a lot of issues that you may come across when initially registering or setting up your free PBX system. A lot of these entail some sort of issue essentially between you and your trunk provider, whether this is VoIP MS, Twilio, Telnix. There's a variety of others that are out there. But in essence, these are going to be videos that are broken down essentially by the situation and or the cause code. One cause code may be, for a small situation. A handful of cause codes may be the result of one problem. It's a mix of things. So in this one today, what I'm going to be covering is the basic of basically if your username or password is wrong and how to diagnose that and find out. So in this, we're going to be using an example. If we take a look here, we'll go ahead and make a dial just to show you guys. So 248-434-5508. That indicates that we're unable to dial outbound. You may get a congestion message or maybe free PBX saying we cannot complete your call at this time, something of that nature. Now, to break it down, what we're going to do is we're going to go into asterisk log files. And what this does is it shows you everything going on from your calls, from initiating that call, who initiated that call, how did it play out, what was, brought up, things like that. And as you can see, everyone is busy / congested at this time when we made that call. Now, this doesn't tell us a whole lot of information, such as why is it congested, what's going on, and how do we fix it. So our next step is we're going to go into our PBX. Now, if we go in, we log in, we're going to want access to our asterisk console. So by doing so, we can spell out asterisk, and you can do tab completion, space -R. Finally, we're brought into our console. And if we go up here, we're going to want IAX2, that's IAX2, space set debug on. And what that does is it gives you all of your information about your IAX2 trunk, which is how we've established our communication to VoIP MS. Now our next step is to make another call to get out that information and to see what's going on. We'll make another call here. As you can see, we have a cause code, 29 and 50. We have, let's see here, can we see it? So there's our cause code 29, registration refused. No, stop that. And cause code 50, no authority found. Now, if you see a 29, this is the first one you want to track down. This usually indicates a bad username and password. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go to connectivity, and we're going to go trunks. You can see our VoIP MS, our IX trunk right here, and our status is enabled. So good sign, we're not broken. Go ahead, go into IX settings, and make sure that our username and password are correct. We'll submit that, and we'll apply configuration. Now, because IAX2 tends to have, or not IAX2, but asterisk tends to hold on to old configurations, just to make sure when you do run into situations like this, go ahead and exit the console, and we're going to reboot this virtual machine. This can take a few minutes depending on the speed of your system, so we're just going to give it a few seconds. Okay, now our system is online, and we're going to confirm to the dashboard. Everything's good to go. You might get an cannot connect to asterisk message initially when you start the machine. Depending on how fast your machine is, it can take upwards of 10 minutes for that to clear. It is perfectly normal, and all it indicates is that the system is running through its checks and trying to establish that everything comes up. So you can see here, users online and trunks online 1. Just to confirm, we're going to go down to reports and asterisk info. We scroll it down here, we can see, okay, 74 millisecond ping. Finally, state registered, which is excellent. And just our last confirmation here, we'll make another call. We've successfully resolved our cause code issue, and we've confirmed that we can now make outbound calls. Tally ho, if you have any messages, need any help, be sure to let me know through socials. I got Twitter, Instagram, and I'll leave a Cash App donation link down below. If you guys have any other questions, like I said, leave them in the comments down below as well. Make sure to leave a like on this video. I can't speak. I'm just going to shut up. Tally ho. See you guys later.